Here's how to crop your video or images in CapCut. All you need to do is hover over here and the last icon will be cropped. You click cropped and you'll see a couple options here at the bottom. So you'll see rotation, and you can see when you're rotating it, they try to fill up the frame as much as possible. So this rotation is different from the other rotation. So if I rotate this and I click confirm, now you see that the size of this is still the same because we only rotated it before moving it to the editing phase. I'm not sure if that makes sense, but basically what you do here is different from editing it here because this is just the actual video. This is not part of the competition. The composition. So you have your rotation, then they give you selections of the crop ratio. If you're doing long form video or like standard video, then you probably want to go for 16:9. If you're doing reels, then you're probably going to do 16:9. It's 9:16, which is the reverse. And then I could go here, I could click confirm, and now I have a video by 9:19. And I could also rotate it, scale it up here. And if I don't want it to be this way anymore, I could go back here, I could revert it back, confirm, and voila.